Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, excuse me. Is this seat free?
Hi, yes, it is. Please have a seat.
Thank you so much. My name is Samuel, and I'm new to this bus route. I just moved to the city and I'm still learning my way around.
Nice to meet you, Samuel. I'm Grace. Welcome to the city. Which part of the city are you heading to today?
I'm going to Central Plaza. I have a meeting there, and I want to make sure I get off at the right stop. I'm not very familiar with the stops on this route yet.
Don't worry, Samuel. I take this bus every day. Central Plaza is one of the main stops. It comes after about 6 stops from here. The next stop is Market Street, and then shortly after that, you will see Central Plaza.
That's very helpful, Grace. I was a bit worried about missing my stop, because I'm still adjusting to the bus system here.
I understand completely. When I first arrived, I used to get distracted by my phone too. I always make sure to watch the bus display. It shows the upcoming stops, so you can be ready to get off.
That's a good idea. I didn't know about the display screen. I will check it now. Also, is there any landmark near Central Plaza that I should look for?
Yes, indeed. When you approach Central Plaza, you'll notice a large clock tower and many busy shops around. The station is very bright with big digital signs.
Great, I'll remember that. By the way, how long have you been riding this bus, Grace?
I have been on this bus for almost 2 years. It is very reliable, and I know all the major stops. It usually comes every 15 minutes during the day, so I never have to wait long.
That's impressive. In my hometown, buses come much less frequently, so I'm glad to see that here the system works well.
Yes, the public transportation system here is one of the best. I also appreciate that the bus has free Wi-Fi. I sometimes check my emails or read news while riding.
I like that too. I usually listen to music, or sometimes read articles on my phone. However, I have to remind myself to look up when my stop is near.
Exactly. I try to set a reminder on my phone when I see a familiar landmark. That way, I know it's almost time to get off.
That's a smart tip, Grace. I'll try to do that as well. Could you tell me more about this bus route? I'd like to understand it better.
Sure. This bus starts at North Station and goes through several important areas. It passes by the university, the main market, and then goes to Central Plaza before continuing to the business district.
That helps a lot. So, if I want to go to the business district later, I can stay on this bus until the end.
Yes, exactly. It's a very convenient route. Also, if you are ever unsure, you can always ask the driver or look at the route map inside the bus.
Thank you, Grace. I appreciate your advice. I'm still getting used to the city, and every little tip helps me feel more confident.
I understand, Samuel. I felt the same way when I first moved here. Now, I enjoy exploring the city on my bus rides. Sometimes I look out the window and discover new places I hadn't known before.
That sounds exciting. I love discovering new parts of a city. It makes traveling by bus much more interesting.
It really does. And sometimes, while on the bus, I like to chat with other passengers. It's a nice way to meet people and learn local tips.
That's a good idea. I haven't talked to many people on the bus yet because I was a bit shy, but I hope to change that soon.
You should try. Most people here are friendly. For example, I once talked to an older gentleman who told me about a great little cafe near Central Plaza.
Really? That's wonderful. I always like to know good places to eat or relax in the city.
Yes, he said the cafe is called City Brew. It's a small place with great coffee and pastries. I often stop there on my way back from work.
I'll definitely check it out. I could use a nice cup of coffee before my meeting.
You will enjoy it. And if you have any more questions about the city or the bus route, feel free to ask me. I'm happy to help new people.
Thank you so much, Grace. You have been very kind. I really appreciate your help and your friendly advice.
You're welcome, Samuel. I'm glad we had this conversation. It's always nice to meet someone new and share tips about getting around.
Absolutely. I feel more comfortable now that I know a bit about this bus system. I'm excited to explore more of the city.
That's great to hear. The city has many interesting places, parks, museums, and restaurants. I often take extra trips on the bus just to see new areas.
I plan to do the same. I want to visit the art district and maybe go to the local market to try some fresh food.
The art district is wonderful. There are many small galleries and street artists. It's a vibrant part of the city.
I look forward to seeing it. And maybe I can ask you for more recommendations in the future.
Of course, Samuel. I'm happy to share any information I have. Also, if you ever need help with directions, just let me know.
I will, thank you. By the way, do you use any public transport apps on your phone?
Yes, I use an app called City Transit. It shows real-time bus arrival times and updates the route stops. It's very useful if you want to know exactly when the bus will come.
That sounds helpful. I should download that app too. I always worry about missing my stop if I get distracted by my phone.
The app helps a lot. It sends you a notification when your stop is coming up. I set it every day.
I really appreciate these tips, Grace. They make my first few weeks here much easier.
I'm glad to hear that, Samuel. Adjusting to a new city can be challenging, but little tips like these help a lot.
I agree. I also think that talking with friendly people like you makes the journey more enjoyable.
Definitely. Public transportation is not only about going from one place to another, but it's also a chance to meet new people and share experiences.
Yes, I have learned a lot already just by talking to you. I hope we can talk again on the bus in the future.
I'd love that. Maybe next time we can discuss more about the city or even share our travel experiences.
That would be wonderful. I really look forward to exploring the city more and learning about its hidden gems.
I can recommend many places. For instance, if you like parks, you should visit Green Gardens. It is a large park with beautiful flowers and a small lake.
That sounds lovely. I enjoy spending time in nature. I will add Green Gardens to my list of places to visit.
Great. And if you like history, the museum near Central Plaza is very interesting. It shows the city's history and many old artifacts.
I love history. I will definitely visit the museum. Thank you, Grace, for all these wonderful suggestions and for being so friendly.
You're welcome, Samuel. I'm happy to help. I hope you have a great meeting at Central Plaza and enjoy exploring our city.
I'm sure I will now. Thanks again, Grace. Have a wonderful day, and maybe I'll see you on the bus next time.
I look forward to it, Samuel. Have a safe trip and a great day ahead.
Goodbye, Grace.
Goodbye, Samuel.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.